Boil bay leaves. It works wonders. Gardeners don't want you to know this trick. Start with a regular pot and fill it with enough water to reach its capacity. Bring the water to a boil, then add a few bay leaves. After that, add a few cloves. Let the bay leaves and cloves boil together for a few more minutes. This combination creates a strong aromatic scent. Continue boiling until the water changes color. That's how you know the mixture is ready. Remove it from the heat and let it cool. Then take a spray bottle and a funnel and pour the liquid into the bottle. Close it tightly. Your mixture is ready to use. Spray your plants with it every other day. Just a few drops under each plant are enough. It helps prevent plant diseases and protects them from pests. This is a method for dealing with terribly stinky bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted insects. These bugs, called mealybugs, are dangerous pests for plants. They are known for the unpleasant smell they release when threatened or crushed. I'll show you a mixture that will save your flowers. First, take a jug. Then pour in 250 milliliters of water. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar to the jug with water. Now, you need dishwashing liquid, so add 1 tablespoon to the jug. Then, add spices to the mixture, such as garlic, cinnamon, and paprika. Gradually add 1 teaspoon of each to the jug and stir everything well. Strain the mixture into another jug. This mixture is your ready-made solution for stinky insects. Water your plants with it, and you won't see any more bugs in your home. The strongest insect repellent you can make. I'm sure you already have the ingredients for this mixture at home. It works against ants, flies, mosquitoes, and even spiders. Start by preparing a bottle of cold water. This will be the base. Next, take any dish soap. It breaks down the natural protective layer of insects, making them more vulnerable to the other ingredients. Close it and shake well. Now, in an empty spray bottle, pour about half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar works as a repellent, changes the smell of the area, and discourages insects from coming back. Then, pour in the liquid from the first bottle. The mixture is ready. All the ingredients combine into an effective solution that can be easily sprayed even in hard-to-reach places. Spray it on doors, windows, and any other spots where you see bugs. The liquid works immediately, repels effectively, and prevents insects from returning. It's a cheap, powerful way to get rid of ants, flies, mosquitoes, and spiders. After the first use, you'll see the difference, and with regular use, your home will stay insect-free. I always keep this next to my husband's bed. It's a brilliant solution that really works, a simple trick that helps eliminate many problems. You only need 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper. Grind it in a pepper mill. Freshly ground pepper has a much stronger scent than pre-ground pepper. Then transfer the ground pepper into a bowl. Now sprinkle it around windows, doors, and even across the table surface. But the key spot is next to the bed. To make the effect last longer, use aluminum foil. Put the pepper inside, roll it up, and poke a few holes with a toothpick. This way, the aroma will slowly spread without making a mess. Place this little packet next to the bed. It also works great in a clothes closet. Soon, you'll understand why it works. Another effective method is mixing pepper with warm water. Just add some pepper to a container of warm water, let it sit for several hours, strain it, and pour it into a spray bottle. Let me explain the purpose. Black pepper has a strong scent that naturally repels insects. Mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bedbugs, and more. Also, if your neighbor's cat leaves a surprise in the garden, simply spray the spot. The pepper smell will keep it from coming back. Pepper is much more than just a soup seasoning. This is a method for dealing with terribly stinky bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted insects. These bugs, called mealybugs, are dangerous pests for plants. They are known for the unpleasant smell they release when threatened or crushed. I'll show you a mixture that will save your flowers. First, take a jug. Then pour in 250 milliliters of water. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar to the jug with water. Now, you need dishwashing liquid, so add 1 tablespoon to the jug. Then, add spices to the mixture, such as garlic, cinnamon, and paprika. Gradually add 1 teaspoon of each to the jug and stir everything well. Strain the mixture into another jug. This mixture is your ready-made solution for stinky insects. Water your plants with it, and you won't see any more bugs in your home. Pour this onto toilet paper, and you won't believe the benefits. Start by taking a paper towel or toilet paper and tearing off one piece. Now, grab some ground coffee. Coffee has a strong aroma. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee to the center of the paper. Next, squeeze a strip of toothpaste onto the coffee. Toothpaste contains menthol, fluoride, and other strong-smelling ingredients. Now, take a few bay leaves and grind them into a fine powder using a grinder. Bay leaves contain eugenol and essential oils that have a powerful repelling scent. Finally, take a handful of cloves and add them to the mix. Now, fold the paper and start rolling it into a tube. Place the rolled paper inside a tall glass jar. Then, put the jar near a window. Light the paper on fire. This mixture releases a strong scented smoke that repels scent-sensitive insects. Flies, ants, and even cockroaches will avoid areas where they smell it. This is a natural way to keep insects away without using expensive chemical products. This foil is a lifesaver for your home. Prepare a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is an inexpensive and eco-friendly product with many benefits. Next, take a handful of bay leaves, crush them into small pieces, and add them to the coffee. Also, add a teaspoon of ground pepper. Any type will work. Mix everything well until combined. Take a piece of aluminum foil and cut off a wide section. Place a tablespoon of the prepared mixture onto the foil and fold it tightly to create a closed pouch, preferably in a rectangular shape. Then, take a toothpick and make small holes on one side of the pouch. Place the pouches on your kitchen counter. Insects will avoid these areas. You can also put the pouches in your shoes. This simple and inexpensive trick will help you get rid of flies, mosquitoes, and cockroaches in your home. Get rid of bugs in 10 seconds. This is the strongest insect repellent possible. Your enemies will disappear in no time. I'm sure you have the ingredients for this mixture at home. Take 5 cloves of garlic and peel them thoroughly. Its smell and juice are very repellent to various bugs. The same goes for onions, so take 1 red onion, peel it, and chop it. Put these prepared ingredients into a blender, then add 250 milliliters of water. To enhance our insecticide, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, preferably cayenne. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Blend everything together. Strain this mixture into another container. Prepare a large vessel and pour in 1 liter of water. Add the blended mixture to this water. Pour the combined solution into a spray bottle. Spray it on flowers or other plants in your garden. This spray is also perfect for getting rid of ants and other insects. Just spray them, and you won't have any more bugs. This great solution prevents pests from damaging garden plants.